Raised Filipino, Jamila sometimes felt like she was defined by only a part of her genetic story. And for a long time, she struggled to find her way to the rest of her roots. Now Jamila has discovered that she's part Nigerian, and she's busy making Suyadobo short ribs with Jollof rice noodles, a dish that combines the best of both cuisines. Jamila!
Hi, everyone.
Welcome to the DNA Dinner's kitchen.
Thank you.
Now, I know today has been amazing, but it's not over.
Okay.
It's time for you to use your new culinary skills, and you're gonna make a dish that is part Filipino, part Nigerian, totally you.
Awesome.
And our crew is standing by to help you pull it off. And before I go, you'll probably need this recipe.
Oh, yes, thank you.
No problem. The DNA Dinner's kitchen had a blast combining Filipino and Nigerian cuisines into a one-of-a-kind, never-before-made dish. Tonight, Jamila will be making Suyadobo short ribs with Jollof rice noodles. Jamila sears off beef short ribs until they're browned on all sides. To seared beef drippings, Jamila adds crushed peppercorns and flour. As the flour cooks, it thickens to form the base of her sauce. Now for the Filipino influence. As Jamila adds a mixture of soy, sugar, and vinegar, then beef stock to simmer. The rice noodles that have been soaking in cold water to soften, no boiling needed, right into the skillet. Remember the tomato puree Jamila made at the restaurant this afternoon? She used it to make jollof rice. Well, now she's using the same tomato puree, but instead of rice, she's flavoring rice noodles with a nod to her Filipino culture.
Oh, hey, Tyrone.
Hey, Jamila. Wow.
Look at
Everything
that.
is looking good.
Thank you.
Guess what?
What?
Your fam's here.
They're here?
They are here and they're hungry.
Okay.
So, you ready for your big reveal meal?
I am, but I have to finish up here, so you go get ready, keep them busy, and I'll see you soon.
Wow, look at you. Like a true Nigerian chef. Jamila combines 8 different spices to finish the dish with flair.
For my dinner party, I have invited my mother, Jocelyn, my sister, Layla, my girlfriend, Robin, and my best friend, Misha.
Welcome, everyone, to the DNA Dinner's table. Today has been a very special day for Jamila. And of course, you know, she's been very proud to be a Filipino girl, but always wondered what else there was. So now that she's gotten some answers, she's prepared a meal that combines the best of both cuisines. Let's welcome her, Jamila.
Hi, guys.
So gorgeous.
Thank you. Hi, I'm so glad you guys could make it. Thank you so much for coming. As I'm sure each of you know, you are so special to me, so it was really important to have you here today. So I've been learning so much about my new cuisine and culture, and I can't wait to share it with you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2,
I'm scared.
3.
Oh my God. Whoa. Wow. This looks really good. I'm so excited. I'm scared a little.
So as you're tasting, think about if any of these flavors remind you of any particular type of cuisine.
I want to say like Moroccan, maybe?
What do you think, Mom?
Keep tasting.
Taste a little bit of Mexican food.
Mexican.
Some sort of South Asian.
With the spices, I'm thinking some sort of part in Africa.
It's so hard. I can imagine there being a very long list of what this could be.
Okay, so I'm ready to tell you guys now. So hard to keep it to myself. And it turns out that Layla and I are Nigerian.
I have never had Nigerian food, so that's probably why I could not figure that out. That was Nigerian.
That's really surprising, for
That's
sure.
so exciting.
So what's this dish? Like, what do you call this?
This dish is called Suyadobo beef short ribs with jollof rice noodles.
Wow. Wow, you guys really went in on the combination. Yeah, it's great.
Everything that I've experienced today is really making me think of my dad. And I wish that he were here to celebrate with me. And I definitely feel like I've reclaimed my heritage. I feel whole, I feel excited, I feel like a new person.
I'm so happy that I got to go on this journey with you to
Me too.
find out about Nigeria and find out about your roots in Nigeria. But I only told you part of your DNA results.
Okay.
So your DNA results also say that you also have roots in... Whoa!
So random.
Ireland and Scotland.
I clearly didn't read this before either.
It's so random.
So I think we should have a cheers.
Yes.
To commemorate family and new discoveries.
Cheers.